When planning a solar power system, the focus almost always defaults to the main electrical calculations. We determine the total battery capacity required, we size the inverter to handle the peak loads, and we select the exact wire gauge to safely carry the current. In all of that meticulous planning, the battery rack remains a massive engineering blind spot. Most installers treat the physical shelving as an inert container, ignoring its role as a functional component within the electrical circuit. Look at modern installations across professional and DIY spaces, and you'll see a clear prevailing trend. The goal is to build ultra-compact, tightly packed, visually clean racks. Every inch of physical space is minimized. Industrial engineering dictates a very different approach. A tightly packed zero-clearance system is optimized exclusively for perfect steady-state normal operation. It assumes nothing ever goes wrong, and no component will ever generate excess heat or gas. Optimizing a battery bank purely for minimal space and clean aesthetics forces the batteries into an environment where a single component failure will quickly cascade. By designing for looks, we paradoxically maximize the risk of a catastrophic system collapse. A battery bank functions as a highly active thermodynamic environment, requiring far more engineering than a standard storage shelf. Inside that frame, multiple forces are constantly interacting with the physical geometry. Electrical current is routing through physical copper, thermodynamic heat is radiating from every cell, and a massive static mechanical load is pressing down on the structure. A system that successfully charges and discharges on day one has simply met the baseline requirements. Engineering a safe system requires designing a physical layout that can isolate a failing battery, dissipate unexpected heat, and physically contain the damage. Ignoring the coupled physics of spatial layout turns harmless energy storage into a potent thermal and chemical hazard. The physical placement of the batteries on your rack directly dictates their electrical balance. This becomes immediately apparent when multiple batteries are wired together in parallel. In this 3D parallel layering setup, staggered battery stacking creates distinctly unequal cable lengths to the bus bar. Following the voltage drop formula, longer cables inherently create higher resistance pathways. Electricity bottlenecks at long cables, rushing through the shortest. This forces that specific battery to carry a disproportionately heavy load. The constant heavy cycling causes the specific battery to degrade prematurely. In a parallel bank, the total usable capacity of the system is ultimately dragged down to the exact health level of its weakest, most degraded cell. A slight geometric asymmetry in the rack design guarantees uneven electrical wear, ensuring the early death of the entire system. Electrical imbalances generate a dangerous physical byproduct at the battery terminals: localized, intense heat. This diagram illustrates the power loss formula. Heat generation equals current squared times resistance. Forcing higher current into a single battery results in exponentially higher terminal heat. Mechanically, tight cables pull terminal rings, introducing microscopic gaps. This loosens the connection, immediately driving up resistance. Now, the high current is passing through an increasingly loose, high-resistance connection. The formula dictates that this increased resistance multiplies the heat generation even further. This initiates a runaway feedback loop. Extreme heat physically expands and warps the terminal metals, degrading the connection and generating even higher heat. Without careful spatial planning and strain-free cable management, the rack acts as a self-amplifying thermal engine, pushing connections toward the point of melting or combustion. The instinct to pack batteries tightly together to save floor space completely destroys the system's ability to cool itself. During heavy cycles, tightly packed batteries radiate thermal energy outward. Passive cooling relies on the airflow heat removal equation. Without open space, mass flow rate drops to zero. Trapped heat creates thermal stacking, driving temperatures upward. Sliding batteries apart restores mass flow. Ambient air continuously drafts upward, sweeping heat away. Without this physical spacing, there is zero thermal isolation. If one cell experiences a critical thermal failure, the catastrophic heat immediately ignites adjacent units. Empty space in a battery rack is an engineered thermal barrier. It is a strictly required component for system survival. Beyond thermodynamics, certain chemistries introduce severe chemical hazards. Lead-acid and AGM battery banks present a distinct critical risk that dictates their physical housing. During charging, the chemical reactions naturally outgas. This slow-motion footage shows the result, a steady, silent release of hydrogen gas directly into the surrounding environment. Hydrogen is completely invisible, lighter than ambient air, and highly explosive when allowed to concentrate. When a battery bank is tucked into a tight utility closet or placed under a solid shelving unit, the rising hydrogen hits the ceiling and pools, creating an invisible, highly combustible pocket waiting for a spark. Unless the physical rack is explicitly engineered with upward and outward ventilation pathways, you are building a silent containment vessel for a chemical explosion. Finally, we have to account for the extreme physical density of energy storage. A single standard 100 amp-hour lead-acid battery weighs roughly 30 kilograms. Scale that up to a modest off-grid battery bank of 8 to 12 units, and you are placing hundreds of kilograms of localized static load onto a very small footprint. Standard wood framing or thin consumer-grade metal shelving cannot withstand this over time. As you can see here, the relentless gravitational stress slowly warps and buckles insufficient materials, drawing the entire structure downward. A structural collapse in a battery bank triggers a catastrophic cascade effect. As the shelf gives way, heavy batteries drop, violently yanking on live high-amperage cables, snapping thick copper wiring and tearing terminals out of their casings. The rack's structural integrity must be massively over-engineered. A physical drop instantly triggers a lethal electrical crisis. A safe energy storage system integrates electrical, thermal, and mechanical rules into a single cohesive geometry. This engineered structural frame forms the foundation. First, the layout forces electrical symmetry. Every battery sits equidistant to a central bus bar, guaranteeing equal resistance paths and perfectly balanced current draw across the entire bank. Second, the geometry mandates physical isolation. Clear, measurable gaps on all four sides of every cell prevent thermal stacking and eliminate the risk of fire propagation. Third, the structure provides completely unobstructed upward ventilation pathways. This allows ambient air to strip away heat and ensures any outgassed hydrogen freely dissipates upward and outward. Fourth, the design maintains deep structural clearance. There is ample physical space for a technician to inspect connections, tighten terminals, or execute a fast emergency disconnect without risking a short circuit. This engineering-first approach prioritizes system resilience and physical stability over aesthetic cleanliness. Solar design succeeds by anticipating the laws of physics to ensure the system remains cool, balanced, and structurally unbreakable for decades.